Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on binomial products worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the topic of binomial products. Now, a binomial is an algebraic expression with two terms. So for example, m plus 7 is a binomial. m plus 4 is a binomial. So we have one binomial here and we have another one there. Now when they're presented in this manner, the sign here in between those brackets or grouping symbols is a multiplication sign. That means those two binomials are multiplied together, and that's why they're called binomial products. So basically, the lesson is asking us to expand each of those binomial products. So we have to remove the grouping symbols in each of the 8 examples and end up with a algebraic expression at the end where there are no grouping symbols or brackets at all. So it's quite an interesting process and very straightforward, and there is a lesson on this very topic. So if you're not sure how to proceed, on the next slide there's a link. Click on the link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of the examples. So I will just go through the procedure for the first one only, and then you should be right for the rest. All we do, we take the first term here, which is an m, okay, and we put that outside of the second binomial. So the second binomial will be m plus 4. Okay, so that's how we start, like that. Then we take the second term, which is a plus 7, there, and we put that outside of the same thing. So the second binomial, which is m plus 4. Okay, so that's exactly what you do. All you do then, remove the grouping symbols, and we saw how to do that in a previous video. Collect the like terms, and that gives you the answer in the form of an algebraic expression. So you do exactly the same for the first 4, and believe it or not, you do exactly the same here, because h plus 9 all squared means that h plus 9 is multiplied by itself. So, in other words, we still have a binomial product. Okay, because it's squared, see that? All you do is you multiply it by itself. So we have h plus 9 here also. And then you just go through exactly the same procedure that I outlined here. Collect the like terms to end up with the answer. And it's exactly the same with the last 3. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice working on binomial products, which involves removing the grouping symbols, collecting the like terms where possible, to end up with the final algebraic expression. Don't forget the link on the next slide if you need it. That'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples.